Yes, this is me again. Earlier I made a video on trading on Boom 1000, and we all saw what I drew on the trend. I drew on the trend, and we all saw what I drew on the trend, and this was what I drew. Taking my trend, I drew something like this. I drew this line and I did this, and we saw it spiked to this level, and there was a continuous spike due to this resistance here. I never saw the resistance. If I had seen it, I would have waited so that I show you guys. Now see, the spike came up, it got to this point and returned a little and hit the resistance and went up again and took another shot, then came back, hit another resistance. If you look at this level, there's a resistance here. There's a resistance level here that the trend couldn't go further. So it came down, hit the resistance, and took another bounce upward. So I have drawn my resistance line, and I want you to note this. This is another resistance line. If you look at this trend very well, as soon as it comes down, as soon as the trend comes down to that spot, there will be another spike on this spot here. As soon as the trend touches this spot, you'll see another rebound. So I want you to know so much about the 1000. If possible, go back to the drawing board, go back to your demo accounts and do this little trick. Just do this little trick. At least just devote a day. Know how to take your resistance line, know how to draw your support line, so that you will not be hit by spike. Because when you don't note all this, you see the trend moving downward, let me take it sell. You see it going up, let me take a buy. You end up blowing your account day by day. I mean, some of us will liken it that maybe it is not my day, it is not my time. No. Or maybe the winch in my family or something like that. They are the one after my success. No, it is not so. If you know the little trick or the little secret about trading boom and crash, I bet you will make money every day. Every day. This is my resistance level, that this trend will not go. This trend now, this downtrend, this downward trend will not go further than this. There will be a reversal. Because when you go down to the daily time frame, let me zoom it a bit. This is daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. Let me take this one out. This is my daily time frame. As you can see, I'm taking this out. See the big bearish movement. It's still there. It is still there. It is still there. This is my resistance level. It is still there. So we have to note this before you jump into trading boom and crash. And if you look at my moving average, though, I will come back with a video showing you why I took those trades. You see my moving average. You see the direction of my moving average. The direction is in this trend. It shows trend and uptrend. And if you look at my indicator window, my moving average on my indicator window, they are all in an uptrend direction on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, my RSI just got to 70 mark. My envelope, the up envelope is at 90, and the down envelope is still pointing at 50. Then my standard deviation is down below 30 level, though I'll come up with a video on this later, much later. But I just want to guide you, just want you to understand this movement, how I took those trades and how it has been working for me. See, I have already known where to cash my spike. If you are to cash spike, I already know where to take my trade and where to enter. If I want to enter a sell, I can just enter here. Since I note that this is a resistance zone here. This is my resistance zone. No spike. The only thing I will be scared of is this moving average. My moving average is very sensitive. Immediately it touches the price, it can spike up. So I can enter a sell from here to get into my moving average. I exit, because this moving average is very sensitive. Once the price gets to this moving average, it might spike, since it's an uptrend. It has been happening since I discovered this, and I want to share this with you. With this moving average, if you want me to give you the settings, just DM me. I'll make a short video, though it will cost you not much but a little. It has been working. I have made money from this. It has been working. And they say ideas, sometimes nothing good come easy. You need to stress yourself. You need to pay, because we know how much we have given to Deriv. We've used to fund our account daily. So nothing good come easy. So once in a while you pay. I'm giving signals. If you want me to give you signals, you can join me on Telegram, or you can just write me on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, please. If you want signal, I'll be on WhatsApp to give you signal. If you want to join my VIP, you get signal every time the spike comes. You get signal. I'll be there to give to you, day and night. Day and night. This is my business. This is what is paying me recently. It's paying me now. It's paying me for some time now. So I don't joke with this. If I get $100, $200, $300 per day, I know I'm into money. So why stress myself? Why worry myself? Going to look for a white collar job when I know this one can give me some salary that some of this white collar job will not give to me. So watch this trend. Since it's an uptrend, this my moving average is very sensitive. Look at it. If you look at it, immediately this one touches this. Okay, since there's no resistance, it won't spike. Most times it does happen when there is a resistance, when it's on a resistance level. It's on a resistance level. That is where you see this moving average reacts. Most times, once it crosses through the resistance, you see the spike will come well. It has been happening. But for this one, it's going to move down. The trend is going to move down before the next spike will come. So I want you to understand this and stick to my videos. Watch my videos, learn the strategy. Stick to one market. Boom 1000. If it's boom 1000 you are trading, you are good at, stick to boom 1000. Though I'll make videos for crash, but this boom 1000 is the bomb. It has been paying me. I have made money from this, and I want to share this with you. Stick to one trade. Don't jump from volatility, jump to boom, because volatility is selling. Somebody just give you signal, volatility is selling, you jump there, you end up losing your money. Stick to one trade, stick to one market, and it will pay you. It will pay you. It will pay you. This has been working for me, and I also want to share this with you. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. See you in my next video. Yeah, this is Mikey's school. So I will stop here and then get back to you in my next video. Thank you very much.